Hey, it's me again, it's Lily from New Woman coming to you. Here we are down at this beautiful park on Tiverton Road actually, and it's halfway up the hill. So the hill is quite, no, it's okay, it's not too bad. But you know, get out and about, it's a beautiful day, sunny, still a bit of a chill in the air in Auckland City, coming to you from New Zealand. So practically we're going out for a walk, most probably an hour and a half, and I just wanted to say that this is our day today, Saturday. Today is Saturday the 15th, and it's a beautiful morning just to be out and about, to appreciate what we have here in Auckland. There's so many little parks we can come out and enjoy, and this is just one of many. This is on Tiverton Road and just halfway up the hill. So if you're out and about, don't forget to check this little park out. It's quite nice, and look at the blossoms. I mean, take a look around at the blossoms, honey. Just video the blossoms around. There's about 3 or 4 trees full of beautiful blossoms telling us it's spring. Yes, so that's it. This is me coming to you. I'm just letting you know what our day is this morning. That's what we're doing, and just enjoying the day, being out with nature. Just around the corner from where we live. Okay, enjoy the parks in Auckland City. Bye for now.